G'day, it's Belinda here from Gallivanting Oz, and that's awesome. You're looking to explore one of our iconic road trips in Australia, Broome to Perth. And thank you for wanting to find out more about our fabulous product, Motorhome Plus. Every motorhomer has a unique vision of what makes the perfect holiday, and motorhome holidays in particular are loved for their ease and tailoring the very best travel experience to reflect your personal interests and travel style. Planning for a big road trip is definitely part of the excitement, but can also be a little daunting, especially on some of Australia's remote but busy routes like Broome to Perth. This covers a large distance with amazing destinations, attractions and campsites, all to be researched along the way. This is where we can help, with escorted motorhome tours running along these routes every year and a huge volume of feedback received from our Freedom motorhome travellers. We know this route inside out and can let you know all the best spots to visit, the places to stay and the best things to see and do. Our Motorhome Plus guides make planning your trip a breeze. Motorhome Plus has been designed by travel experts who have extensive local knowledge and experience. We provide you with a comprehensive list of the best tried and tested campsites along your route and all the must-see activities and hidden gems, complete with contact details and website links so you can book with ease. You'll receive concise summaries of regions you'll be travelling through, the worthy detours and any special events occurring throughout your trip. Our package also includes maps, distance guides, itinerary suggestions and a journey planner spreadsheet for you to customise and so much more. We give you everything you need, saving you hours of research.